if you want to see how I created this beautiful product card animation, stay with me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and in these next 2 videos I'll show you step by step how to make it yourself. Okay, let's start with a simple arrow animation. We draw an arrow, then using auto layout I create a circle. Then I'll make 2 more copies and change the button design, one for the hover state and one for the press state. And add some animation. I'll select all 3 buttons, create a component set and add interaction animations. Smart animations. Now I create a frame and place our product photo inside it. At the bottom, I add the product name and category name. I group the text using auto layout. And then add the arrow to this block. Now we also need to add a product description. Even though it won't be visible in this state, it should still be present in all states of the card when we create the animation. I'll also add a discover link. When you click it, it will open the product page with more details information. Then I'll combine everything using auto layout into one block called content. Now I combine all our content inside the frame. Additional information should be placed inside the frame but positioned outside its visible area. Make sure that the clip content option is checked. This hides everything that's outside the frame. Our first state is ready. Now let's duplicate it and make some adjustments for the second state. Next, I'll select both state and create a component set. Then I add the animation between them. Let's create a new frame to test how our animation works. Perfect. In the next video, I'll show you how to assemble all of this into a product section for our website, for example. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye!